Hi, this is On the Ground Auto. Today we're going to change the front drive shaft in a 1997 Ford Explorer. It's doing all kinds of binding and turns, making all kinds of bad noises coming from the transfer case. The drive shaft in this vehicle looks like this. It's got a CV joint on one end and it's got a U joint on the front end. This clips to the front differential via 4 bolts. This bolts into the transfer case by 6 bolts. And that's it. It's a very simple job. You're going to need 2 tools for this. You're going to need a T27 Torx socket, and you're going to need an 8mm socket with an extension. You might need more than one extension depending on how good you are at getting in there. So we're going to jack up this vehicle and we're going to look at the bad drive shaft and show you what it looks like. Now that we've jacked up our truck, we're going to check this drive shaft out. Oh, yep. Exactly as I expected. The boot is gone. There's all kinds of rust and salt and crap in there. That's definitely where the grinding noise is coming from. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts right here. They come right out. And then there's 4 bolts over here. And it detaches from the front differential. These drive shafts are pre-balanced. You don't have to get them balanced after putting them in. It doesn't matter what position that you put them in because they're pre-balanced. Pretty easy. Let's take this bad boy out and put the new one in.
Look at that.
It is definitely the source of your grinding, your binding, and all of your noise. Fun fact about these V8s. When you take the front shaft out, you're not going to be able to stay in park. So when you do this, make sure that you're jacked up in a way that you're not going to roll backwards. If I roll backwards, I'm smashing into this plow, so we're all good. So just be careful. Old shaft, new shaft, big difference. This one's a little bit thicker than this one. Have some patience. You don't want to cross thread these because it's the end of your diff and that'd be a very bad day. Thread all 4 of them in a little bit before you tighten. Tighten in a crisscross pattern. When installing this part of the shaft, you're going to have to pull it out because it comes compressed. You may have to move it a little bit to line up with the holes. Always have all of these threaded in first before you go tightening them, because you do not want to strip this piece. This is part of your transfer case. And there you have it. It's a total of 10 bolts. Requires a few basic tools. Really easy to do. Takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Job well done. Like and subscribe for more on the ground automotive content.